Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series. Lesson number 46b. Noun keys of khalaqa, abada and dhakara. We have learnt the 3 verb keys fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al, and the 3 noun keys fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l. In this lesson we will take the noun keys for khalaqa, khaliq, the creator, makhluq, the one who is created, and khalq, to create. Translate. Khaliq,
creator.
Makhluq,
The one who is created.
Khalq,
Creation.
creation or to create. Again, Khaliq,
Creator.
Makhluq,
The one who is created.
Khalq,
Creation.
or to create. Repeat after me. Khaliq, Makhluq, Khalq.
Khaliq, Makhluq, Khalq.
Again, Khaliq, Makhluq, Khalq.
Khaliq, Makhluq, Khalq.
Let me ask you, who is the creator? I will say Man al-Khaliq, who is the creator. You will say Allahu Khaliqun. Allah is the creator. If I ask you, Hal anta makhluq? Are you created? You will say Na'am, ana makhluq. Hal antum makhluqun? Na'am, nahnu makhluqun. So answer me. Man al-Khaliq?
Allahu Khaliq.
هل أنت مخلوق؟
نعم أنا مخلوق.
هل أنتم مخلوقون؟
نعم نحن مخلوقون.
The noun keys for abada will be abid, worshipper, ma'bud, the one who is worshipped, and ibadah, to worship. Translate. Abid,
Worshipper.
ma'bud,
The one who is worshipped.
ibadah,
To worship.
again, abid,
Worshipper.
ma'bud,
The one who is worshipped.
ibadah,
To worship.
to worship. MashaAllah. Repeat after me. Abid, ma'bud, ibadah.
عابد معبود عبادة.
Answer me. هل أنت عابد؟
نعم أنا عابد.
هل أنتم عابدون؟
نعم نحن عابدون.
هل الذكر عبادة؟
نعم الذكر عبادة.
Again. هل أنت عابد؟
نعم أنا عابد.
هل أنتم عابدون؟
نعم نحن عابدون.
هل الذكر عبادة؟
نعم الذكر عبادة.
ما شاء الله. The noun keys for ذكر will be ذاكر, one who remembers, مذكور, the one who is remembered, and ذكر, to remember. Translate. ذاكر,
One who remembers.
مذكور,
The one who is remembered.
ذكر,
To remember.
or remembrance. Okay, repeat after me. ذاكر, مذكور, ذكر.
ذاكر مذكور ذكر.
So answer me. هل أنت ذاكر؟
نعم أنا ذاكر.
هل أنتم ذاكرون؟
نعم نحن ذاكرون.
That's it for now. جزاكم الله خير. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.